So whatever I told you to maintain SOP of COVID-19, please, for children, follow my words, because this is really very crucial time. So in the previous class, we were discussing that what happened to Anil. Anil did not have any regular income, as we all know. So he used to earn money by doing different activities. He did not have any fixed job. And that's why the narrator Hari is saying that Anil used to be worried about his paychecks all the time. But as soon as he was receiving his paychecks, you know what he was doing? He was celebrating, borrowing, lending. And so Hari was always having, first of all, he always used to think, oh, this is a strange way of earning money, writing for magazines. Anyway, but things were going on well, no problem. But one day what happened? Anil, actually, he sold one of his novel and he got a good amount of money for himself. He brought a bundle of notes and he kept it under his mattress. So you all remember, because Hari was a trustworthy person according to Anil, and there was obviously he has provided him key of his room, everything. So he never had this feeling that Hari will ever take this money. So he kept it under his mattress. But then something happened. All of a sudden, Hari changed his mind. And then, you would have seen that how much explanation he has given, that why he need to steal this money. He was out of practice. First of all, the funny thing, he said that he was out of practice, so he needed to practice about his this skill. And thereafter he also said that since he's not paying me, so I'm saying that how thankless he was, that Anil, who was actually providing him everything, not only shelter, not only food, not only 1 rupee he was earning from him by bringing groceries for him. Anil was knowing also that yes, he is earning a little bit of money, as well as he was also educating him, which is actually the most precious thing you can do for anyone. But this man, all of a sudden, what happened? He decided to steal the money. Oh, what is wrong? रुको मैं भी थोड़ा सा क्वाइट कर दूं. 1 minute. ओके, कुछ झगड़ा हो रहा था क्या भाई? ओके, नाउ आई हैव, मैंने म्यूट कर दिया आप लोगों को. So basically what happened to Hari, it was not even known to him. He is giving you all the useless, baseless explanation. But finally, one night, he decided to take the money and to run away. He made all the planning. You know what was his planning? That he will take this money, he will take Lucknow Express, and at least that amount was good enough for him to to remain as a rich person, rich Arab. That's why he has compared himself that like a very rich, extremely rich person for at least 2 weeks. But 2 weeks is not a very big time. 2 years भी होता तो he would have given you this okay opportunity कि चलो ठीक है 2 साल के लिए मैंने चोरियां की. But all of a sudden he decided to run away with that money. But then what happened? The moment he reached to railway station, something happened, and that we are going to discuss today. That what he was thinking, what was going on in his mind, why he didn't take Lucknow Express, and what happened thereafter. So I'm sharing screen now. Now, as I told you, Hari started his work when Anil was sleeping. There was a little bit light over Anil's bed because of the moonlit night. Here he sat on the floor and planned that if he took the money, he could leave the city by 10:30 Lucknow Express train. Hari crawled towards the bed, slipped his hand, and slowly took out the money. He realized that although he was, he has done a bad thing, but that moment he was not thinking like that. Anil was sleeping peacefully. He took the money, that notes, without making any sound, and Hari left the room, was on the road. He started running and had kept the notes in his pajamas. He had tied it with the strings of pajamas. Then after a while, Hari slowed down, counted the notes. He had 12 notes of 50 rupee each. That means 600 rupees. Hari thought to himself that this much money he could live a luxurious life like an Arabian sheikh for at least 2 weeks. Then he reached the station. He decided to board the train. First of all, he did not take the ticket, okay, because he was not in a habit of taking ticket, as you know, very smartly, and he is saying that no, he had always traveled without a ticket. But when he reached the platform, the Lucknow Express in which he had to go was just leaving the platform. The train was still slow. He could have easily jumped and got on, but he didn't do that. Why? There was a bit of hesitation in him. Even he didn't understand why he had that hesitation inside him and why he could not board the train. You know, there was something in his mind which was actually, tickling him. You can say he was troubling him. Hari did not know where would he spend the night. He did not have any friends whom he could go to, as he used to think that friends were more of a trouble than being helpful. He did not even want to stay at any of the small hotels, as that would attract attention. So many things were there. He has no friends, no place to go, but, and that's why he's saying that he had only one person in the entire place whom he has robbed. So I found myself a lot of things in, so I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. And then, so he has no, that night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. So imagine he has there a few hours ago before he had a person whom he would have called his own person, friend, जिसको जो भी वो कह सकता था, guru, mentor, guide, whoever he was. But there was a kind-hearted person in the entire city who genuinely cared for Hari. When Hari was in trouble, he has no place to go. He has no food to eat. He offered him shelter. He offered him food. He offered him everything, compassion, trust. And then, but they see what happened this time. There was no one. So it was month of November. Quite chilly weather it was. Month of November में थोड़ी ठंड शुरू हो जाती है. And not only that, the drizzle start, थोड़ी बारिश शुरू हो गई, and which was actually making him more discomfortable. But Hari was not, no, he has no place to go. And then soon it was raining quite heavily. And then it started raining very heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Hari's shirt, pajama, whatever he was wearing, it was stuck to his body, and obviously cold wind was also blowing on his face. So quite discomfortable. Dekho, mentally also he was troubled, physically also he was troubled at that time. Physically, why? Because of this chilly weather, because of this discomfort, no place to go, no place to sleep, no place to hide, and then this heavy rain. But mentally also, he was tormented. Why? Because he himself was not knowing what is the reason, what was troubling him, why he didn't take the train. अरे आराम से चला जाता, 2 week आराम से luxurious life lead करता, but he didn't do that. Something was there in his mind which was disturbing him, and that's why he was churning himself. Kya hua? What happened? I went back to Bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight, 12. It was 12 midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Then Hari has no place to go. He cannot go to any hotel. It would have been quite suspicious. He has no friends in the entire place. Okay, and there was nothing to do. So what did he do? He went back towards the bazaar and sat under the shelter of the clock tower to escape getting wet. It was 12 o'clock by the clock tower. Hari checked the notes and they were wet. So he checked, yeah, notes were there, fine, but they were wet because of this rain. Anil's money. Now see, यहाँ दिमाग का देखो, ये जो कहते हैं ना mental trauma. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Once again, Hari started thinking that it's not my money. Something was there. देखो, इतने साल बुरा काम करने के बाद, but after leaving with Anil for maybe only 1 month, and the way Anil treated him lovingly, and obviously trust is the main word. There was a change in his mindset. नहीं कहते उसकी thought process में change आ रहा था. उसकी सोच change हो रही थी. And that is very important because if you really want to change yourself, first of all, you have to change your thought process. और मैंने क्या बताया कि when you start realizing your mistake and follies, so Charles Dickens has also said, realization is the first step towards reformation. है कि नहीं? अपनी गलती अगर आप मानते हैं, क्योंकि most of the time what do? We simply say, oh no, it's not my fault. Oh, it's not my fault. Half of the world is doing the same thing. They are not actually accepting their mistake. So acceptance ही नहीं होगा, realization नहीं है, acceptance नहीं है, then how will you be able to reform yourself? That is the question. At least one very good thing had happened, that now he is accepting that this is not my money, Anil's money. At least he is thinking that this is not my money. This is Anil's money, which I have stolen. And then he also think, यहाँ पे ये भी सोच रहा है कि if Anil would have surely given him 2-3 rupees to go for a movie, but see now what he has done. He had stolen it all, and the entire money belongs to him. Then again he's thinking, एक बार उसे ये लगता है कि okay fine, I'm having all the money, but again his mind is saying him, बार बार prick कर रहा है उसे, yo, but now since he had stolen the money, he had all the money with himself, but he won't be able to make tea or do groceries for Anil anymore, nor would he be able to learn to write whole sentences ever. That is the line. Means at least one glimmer. मैंने क्या बोला कि एक ray of hope we can see in the character of Hari, that he know the value of education, and that is why he simply says, yo, the most important thing that I'm not going to learn to write whole sentences anymore. Now who will educate me? It was a wonderful opportunity, जो तुम लोग कहते, golden opportunity for me to get educated, but मैंने क्या किया उससे? So now this regret was there in his mind. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences, I knew, could one day bring me more than a few 100 rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. And then something happened. He kept on thinking. He kept on thinking that who will now? He realized that obviously in the excitement of stealing the money, he has lost such a wonderful opportunity of being educated. He was also knowing the value of education. And so he knew that if he could learn to read and write, he could earn much more money than these few 100 rupees that he is having now. He knew that it was very easy to steal something from someone, but sometimes it was that easy to get caught as well. Stealing is easy, then being caught is also very easy. But he was also knowing that he knew that if he learned to read and write, he could surely become a big and respected man one day. He could be able to lead a respectable life. No, that is more important. Respect. Education gives you what? Not only you start assessing what is wrong, what is right, but at least you will be able to lead a respectable life. So education has that importance. And then he decided. So he started thinking about all these things. One very, as I told you, that despite having all the negativities in Hari's character, one good thing that he know the value of education. ये जरूर अपने answer में refer करोगे. And so finally he decided. What was his decision? I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So that was not that he has that, introspection or उसे लगा कि अनिल को cheat किया. Oh, Anil. Obviously, these things were there in his mind. But again, he is being a little selfish. But that वो selfishness जो है ना, that is actually a positive selfishness. Because now he, as I told you, since he was knowing the value of education, so for only one sake, he wanted to go back to Anil. At least he will learn to read and write. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Movies में भी तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा कि ये बहुत कॉमन होता है. Steal कर लेना या कुछ कर लेना is easy, but when you are generally people are caught red-handed most of the time when actually they are returned. So it's a very common problem that when if you are going back and returning the thing, most importantly, people will at that moment they will catch you. So anyway, Hari went back to Anil's room and was very nervous because he knew that it was much more difficult to return stolen things without being caught than actually stealing it. Yeah, he was true. So anyway, he reached there. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So Anil was still sleeping. He went to the hallway and stood there as the moonlight was still falling over the bed. Room was quite lighted. Anil was still asleep. Hari went near the head of the bed and took out the notes. And as he was going, near the mattress, his hand could feel Anil's breath on his hand. Hari became still for a moment, found the edge of the mattress, and finally slipped the notes under it. All well. Thank God he was not caught. He was so much scared that while returning the money, maybe he will be caught red-handed, but nothing happened. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note, not 1, 2, 3, between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. Okay, so early morning, he, got a plate. Anil did not woke him up. He made the tea. Anil didn't woke him up. Didn't wake him up, sorry. And he made the tea. And not only that, he also offered him 50 rupees, good amount, because generally he would have given him maximum 5 rupee note. But he gave, Anil extended his hand towards Hari and he handed 50 rupee note in his hand. Now Hari thought he had been caught. He thought that, okay, Anil will say, okay, take this 50 rupee and leave my place. I know whatever has been done to me. But no. यहाँ पे story थोड़ा twist हो गया. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. But instead of that, he said that I made some money. So, and now I'm going to pay you regularly. My spirits rose. Obviously, it was a great moment for Hari. He was really happy. He took the note and But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentence, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So now, not only he has been asked to stay with him, Anil asked, obviously, that I am going to pay you regularly. That is very clear that Anil did not want to throw him out of his place. Wet note was wet. Now, again, this was very clear that Anil knew everything. मुझे लगता है कि रात में ही अनिल को पता चल गया होगा. Anil would have found out that yes, he took the money, he ran away, but he did not want to punish him, because what is the use of punishment? What is the use of humiliating someone when other person is ready to realize his follies and mistake? So there is no use. जब आदमी खुद realize कर रहा है तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि you make him realize all the time. So I think Anil's character has been portrayed in such a manner that you can see that basically he is having all the quality of a virtuous human being. Anil perhaps would have known that Hari ran away with this money because the money was wet, which was clear. Okay, but he didn't show any sign. Hari realized that Anil had come to know that he had stolen money and also that he had kept it back. But the great thing was that he did not let it show on his face or through his words. Rather, he offered him that from today I'm going to not only pay you regularly, but I will teach you writing sentences. Hari, but anyway, Hari again smiled at Anil. But you know, this time, not only to flatter him, okay, but this was the most natural smile that came on Hari's face. And Anil also smiled at him without any effort. So basically, Anil, what you will say that Hari changed himself. There was a complete transformation in his character. He did not betray him. He did not deceive him. He kept his trust. And that is why even if for a moment he was mistaken, he took the money, ran away, but he came back. So that this is my, education or my trust that compel him to change his mind. And that is why when Anil found that this boy has changed, there is no need to make him feel bad, make him feel low. And the best way is this, that he did not show, although he was doing everything because notes were wet, but he did not say anything to him. And in this manner, Anil, he was successful in his effort because he was able to change a man. सबसे बड़ी बात क्या होती है कि आप किसी इंसान को change कर दो, transform कर दो, बुरे से अच्छे में. So Anil was successful here because he was able to transform a thief to a nice human being. And Hari also, that he did not betray his trust and he kept his words. Okay, and he also, और दूसरी बात, he valued education more than anything in his life. And because of that education, he decided to come back to Anil and to remain with him. And in this manner, they both were successful. Anil, in transforming a human being to a nice human being, and Hari, who really valued trust, love, compassion, as well as education. So in this manner, you will see that there was a tremendous, देखो अनिल शुरू से अच्छा था, लास्ट तक रहा, बट हरी में जो चेंज आया, ये बहुत बड़ा ये जो कह सकते हो विक्ट्री ऑफ द स्टोरी, जो तुम्हारा हाई पॉइंट ऑफ द स्टोरी है. So in this manner, Hari became really a changed personality who not only valued education but who also valued humanity, and the story ended with a positive note. है ना?